Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Guy G and they call me Freddy. You know, if you haven't seen my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hit like, hit share the videos. Here behind me, I got the K that we're building on the hatch. CRX. Tonight I'm working on the CRX. I want to show you guys something. I went online and I went to the, you know this company. They got me Hush Performance. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I love it. They gave me another 10% off. I think my next modification is going to be the hood from you guys. So I got 10% off on that. Guys, I got the mounts and I'm in love with them, bro. This shit looks so sexy. Look at that detail, man. I love it, love it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm gonna pop the hood real quick, put this out of the way, put you right about here. Pop the hood. Alright guys, in the past, the way I used to go to a car show, it was that I used to bring this little guy right here to the car show, and I used to pop my hood, put it right on top of that, and that's the way I show my car in the shows. And it's pretty cool, but the only problem I have when wind will come in, comes this out and my hood will slam. Tonight, I'm moving it. I'm putting the new hinges. I've been waiting for them for a while, and I cannot wait to put them onto the car. Alright guys, sorry about that. So, let me open this up real quick. Again, I love how this came up. I have bought a lot of parts from the company before. Wow, this is very light. Bro, if you have a CRX Integra, if you have one of these, man, I don't know why you guys are wasting your time. I like the finish. I love it. He goes for all my other chrome. I believe this one's going to go right here. So I did put the hinges on and it look amazing. Look at that. What? They look amazing. I love it. They're pretty sturdy, pretty heavy. Made my car looks a lot 10 times better. I mean, I'm going from this OEM look, it still look good looking, you know, to that. Oh my God, it looks so sexy. And I got something else coming here. That's for another video. But right now I'm gonna put the hood. That looks so sexy. Again, you guys, Hush Performance, you guys did a huge job on this. Beautiful, beautiful. Get my CRX the look I was looking for. Wow, that looks so sexy. I'm gonna have the hood off for a couple of days because I'm going to FL2K 2020 in Bradenton, Florida. I bought my ticket. This is going over there. If you see me over there, please say hello, say hi, what's up. I'll take a picture with you, put it on my Facebook account and my Instagram, and I will put it even in my YouTube account. So you guys, you know. So let me put Joe back over there, put the hood on, and finish this. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you this right now. I'm happy how this came out. Alright, let me show you the finished product. The lines, you can see the shock right there, but the lines are right here. Equals this one right here. See how it goes right here? Same distance. The reason I haven't put this back, I got a surprise for you guys. I got my first sponsor. And he's coming in for something for my car. So this is the old one. I'll leave it right now for now. I'm doing this because I went to that car show. But once you see this, this is so cool. Put it right here. Watch that hood. Watch the hood. Boom. Pop like nothing. Then I come right through here. I want to leave it right there. I can leave it right there. You can see it like that. I want to leave it a little bit higher. I'm going to be like that. This is pretty cool. Or boom, all the way through. It actually is pretty good when you're working on cars. You can do this. You know, look at the space that I got right now. Oh my God, this is pretty dang cool, huh? Well, guys, this is it for tonight. Thank you for watching my channel tonight. It was a previous show of your small